Hey there and welcome to the BAQE channel. This is the recipe card for our basic lip kit, and today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve the lip that you see on your recipe card. You could do this with any of our colors. I'm going to show you my favorite lip cocktail and give you some tried and true tips and tricks to help you achieve the look properly. Alright, so you want to start by making sure that your lips are nice and hydrated, and if you have any dead skin, that you exfoliate those off. And then once you have that, just make sure your lips are dry. Hydrated but dry, so you don't want a ton of chapstick on or Vaseline on. You want to make sure that you've wiped off most of that product so that it's not like sitting there on your skin. We are going to start with the BAQE lip liner pencil in the shade Crumb Coat. I love this color because it's a slightly pink nude color. So this is, I like to call the lip that I'm about to do kind of a your lips but better. So basically what it is a great pinky nude neutral lip that you can wear with anything on any occasion, with any makeup, with any outfit. It's going to look stunning. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna line our lips with the shade Crumb Coat. I'm going to start by lining my lips right here in the center, and I'm going to take that liner on this space right here. That's called your vermilion line. That's the line where the pigmentation of your lip typically stops and your face skin starts. So oftentimes it's colorless or it's partially colorless in certain spots. That's where we're gonna take our liner. It's gonna give us a slightly fuller look to the lip without looking too ridiculous. I absolutely promise you that this isn't overlining like you see in a lot of crazy YouTube tutorials. So what we're going to do is take the liner and just making short strokes. I don't like to do one long line, especially if you're not great at lip liner. We're just gonna do short little, and I start in the center because you can thin it out as you get to the corners of your mouth much easier than if you start with your pencil in the corner. You might apply it a little bit too heavily. Again, same concept on the top lip. We're going to start right in the center and go around our Cupid's bow right on that vermilion line. Just little small strokes, okay? And then I do not like to overline too much at the corner because it'll give you kind of that clown lip, and you don't want that. So again, that is the lip liner in Crumb Coat. Now as you can see, it's a very natural look. I'm now gonna go in with my very favorite shade. This is Better Than, okay? This shade is seriously the perfect your lips but better color, slightly pinky neutral. This is, I like to call these kind of like a naked lip because it's not really a true nude where it's the color of your skin, but it's your lips only a little bit better, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and take this, and using the doe foot applicator that is in here, I'm going to apply right in the center of the lip and then use the tip of the brush to blend that liquid lipstick out. Then I'm gonna blot my lips together to put it on my top lip, and then just fill in as needed here. Don't use too much product. I don't like going back in. With this product, a little bit goes a long way. And then this is the most important step. You're gonna take your middle finger and just blot the center of your lips right as it comes into your mouth, that little area right there. Okay, and let this dry. I love my liquid lipstick formula because it's super hydrating. It has shea butter in it, so while it dries down to a mostly transfer proof formula, it's not gonna dry you out. I think you're really gonna love this formula, and look at how gorgeous this is by itself. The great thing about the lip products is you can use them all individually, or like I'm doing right now, create your own lip cocktail. I like to call them a little cocktail because you're just mixing things up. So once that is dry, you can wear it like this, and I typically will wear it like this all day, and after about 6 to 8 hours of wear, I will top it off with my gloss to blend it back out. Or if you love a glossy look, throwing a little bit of this right in the center of the lip is going to look amazing. Now I know what you're thinking. This is also called Better Than, but it is not the same color. I chose lip glosses that complement the lipstick with the same name. So they're going to bring a brightness to the center of the lip, and they can also be worn by themselves for a completely different lip look. So now let's take that clear gloss in the shade Better Than, and you can tell the difference between the lipsticks and the glosses because the lipsticks have white lids and the glosses have black lids. And right here, right in the center, on the top and the bottom, I'm just gonna apply that slight little bit of gloss. And that's just going to give your lip a nice little highlight in the center and give you a really full look. So here you have it, our beautiful lip cocktail that you can find on our lip recipe cards on how to use our products. And they are very, very easy to use. I promise you this. We started with the lip pencil in Crumb Coat, went in with our liquid lipstick in Better Than, and topped it off with our Top It Off gloss in Better Than. This is your basic lip kit for the perfect everyday naked lip. I love it so much. This is like the perfect color for anyone, for any bride, any skin tone. It's gonna be absolutely beautiful, I promise you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please hit subscribe for more videos and stay tuned for all the fun things coming here at BAQE.